I'm Gemma. I've worked at Banana Moon for almost a year and a half, and I'm doing my level 3 Early Years Educator Apprenticeship. It's been really good. Eden have been really helpful, and if I've ever needed help with anything, they've been there straight away. I just contact my tutor and then she gets back to me, so they've been really helpful. Most of it is practical, and then the training from Eden kind of just like helps give you that background knowledge on it, which is really helpful. So it kind of, you learn like theories and stuff, and it tells you like why you're doing certain things in your practice, which is really helpful. So I found like the balance quite good, and yeah, as you're going about your practice, like you can kind of think of the stuff that you've learned from Eden and see where it comes into play. So Eden have provided me with a lot of knowledge that I need, such as the early years foundation stage. So I didn't know much about it before, as I've moved here from Scotland, so they use like different like curriculums and like just different things and policies. So Eden have really helped me understand that and provided me with all the knowledge that I need as well. So I remember Chloe before was telling me how to like promote positive behaviour with children. So she said if I was struggling with children who were displaying like difficult behaviour, she gave me tips on how to like promote positive behaviour and use positive language and positive reinforcement. So that was really helpful. I'm confident that they're preparing me for a long time in childcare, because all the information and training that they've given me is really useful. It's really extensive information as well. So I feel like once I finally complete my apprenticeship, like it'll help me in any future childcare roles. They've kept me updated really well. So we get given like a chrysalis file, and that keeps track of everything, and I can always look at that when I want. And then my tutors always send me emails as well to let me know and keep me up to date. Eden's been really accessible for me. So if I have any questions, I can just message my tutor, or I can email her, and then she's always got back to me really quickly. Yeah, they've provided me with a lot of information about that. So if I did then decide I wanted to go on and do like the level 5, or if I wanted to be a room leader in the future, then I've already kind of like learned the basics of that, and then I would just go on and learn more for the level 5 training. And then with safeguarding as well, we've been given extensive information on that, so that's been really helpful. I would say, well, they've been helpful and supportive, and I think just understanding as well.